Hello there, welcome. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this delicious dry fried chicken, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. If you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing and let's get started. This recipe, I have 500 grams of chicken that I've removed the skin. I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm using a teaspoon of paprika. You could also add chili if you like your chicken extra spicy. About a teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. Half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger minced, a tablespoon of yogurt, two tablespoons of ketchup, followed by about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Then go ahead and mix everything together. Once that is done, let it marinate for about 60 minutes. Next, heat some oil in your pan, about 3 tablespoons, and place the marinated chicken. Fry your chicken for the first 5 minutes on high heat. Once your meat is browned, cover it and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Flip and stir your chicken and let it cook for another 5 minutes under low heat. The chicken is well done, as you can see, and finish it up by adding some coriander. Proceed to stir your chicken and it's ready to serve. You can have this with some chapati, ugali, rice, naan. I absolutely enjoyed this chicken. It was so delicious, and the aroma, oh my god, you have to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't, and I will see you on my next recipe. Bye bye.